Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I put together this Disney Villains inspired planner. The total cost I spent on this was about $38. The planner I got on Amazon. And just to show you a quick overview, I got this monthly also on Amazon. The planner itself was $9. So was the monthly was $9. I used printables from Annie Plans Printables, some scrapbook paper, and I was trying to challenge myself. I was trying to put this together without purchasing anything new. I just wanted to show how you can shop your stash and come up with something brand new. So if you want to see how I put this together, just keep on watching. So these are some of the papers that I'm going to use, and none of these are Disney papers, but I thought that they would look good with the theme. So this is just like a black and white stripe that came from a scrapbook pad. I think that would be pretty underneath Cruella. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's like an adhesive foil paper sheet, and this is like $1.99. This is also from a scrapbook pad. This I think would be pretty under Ursula. I have a plain purple, and I also have a plain teal too, which I'm going to use for maybe side tabs. This was from a Mermaid pack. I thought that would also be kind of cool under Ursula. Some gold glitter. You also always need some gold stuff. And then for Maleficent, I didn't really have anything, but I thought this purple with the roses was nice, so I think I'm gonna layer that somehow. Okay, so this is the digital download that I purchased on Etsy, and you can see it's $3.99, and it comes with all of these digitals. Not only do you get the cutting file if you have like a Cricut or a Silhouette, but you also get the JPEG, so you can print that. So even if you don't have any of those fancy cutters, you can just print these. And this is pretty much all I use to decorate the planner for the most part. Okay, so these are some of the digitals that I printed out that I thought were the cutest. And I just printed them on regular paper. And then just to jazz them up, I just stuck this adhesive sheer glitter foil paper from Hobby Lobby just to make Maleficent a little bit more fancy. And then I made some little side tabs out of just like some plain teal cardstock. And then for Maleficent, what I think I'm going to do, so I cut this down to personal size, and I think I'm just going to layer her over this. And with the gold glitter adhesive paper, I did make this rose. So I think I want to kind of like maybe layer a gold rose over there, so I have a little pop of bling here. This is just gonna create like something interesting here. I'll just kind of, there we go. I'll just take my glue stick and glue her down. Love it when the dividers have like this layered look. I think I like that. Well, before I even put that there, I'm gonna stick one of these tabs down. Okay, so I've layered this, and then I'm just gonna cut off any excess here. So then it's gonna look something like that. And that's gonna be laminated, and I'm thinking maybe I'll put like a glitter dashboard on top of it, because I think this might be my front image, so we'll see. And then this is how the Evil Queen turned out. I put a poison apple cut out there. That also came with the download. And here I had a mermaid cut out from another project, and I stuck that there on Ursula. This also came with the digital download, and I put that on some holographic paper, and then I'm now gonna laminate all of these. Gosh, I just love how they turned out. This little personal size planner I actually found on Amazon, and I will link this in the description. It has a magnetic closure, and I also found these inserts on Amazon. And usually I order inserts off of Etsy from like So Much Crafting, but I just thought I would try these because they already have the tabs on them. So I gotta do something new. And I love Sunday through Saturday, and it's already pre-punched, and each one of these was $8. So it was a good deal. So cut this vinyl out, and I thought it would be cute on the front of the planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on the front. Okay, so that turned out amazingly cute. And I've put my dividers in. And I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with the pockets yet, but I thought I would add something a little more cute here. So I think I'm going to make a confetti dashboard. And what I did here is I just laminated 2 sheets of lamination. So I just reversed them so that I would have like this pocket. You can see here I have a little pocket where I can put some stuff in there, and I left some space here to punch holes. And I have this little twinkle glitter that has all the colors that I'm using, coincidentally. And I got this at Evangeline's, which is a costume warehouse in Sacramento. And it was kind of pricey, but I knew I would use all this glitter for stuff. And I like that it has this little hole here so it doesn't get messy. So I'm just going to load this up with a whole lot of fun here. The stars, and actually the stars actually look great by itself, but you know, we're here to do the most, so I'm gonna add a little bit of everything in here. So cute. Look at how great that's gonna look right there. And then I'm just gonna seal this up, and I could use like clear packing tape, but I'm gonna use some fun washi in the same color scheme so that it looks a little more cool. And I'm just gonna snip off the edges. We'll give the sides a nice hole punch. That's looking so cute already. All right, so I thought it would be cool to have something foiled in this planner. So I did print this on a laser printer, and I have some of this Heidi Swap heat reactive foil, and I'm gonna put this on top and laminate it in the laminator. And I have just a piece of paper just to kind of protect my laminator. I'll put this in here and run it through. Probably have to trim the edges as well. All right, here is the grand reveal. Wow, that looks amazing. Okay, just wanted to show how this turned out completely. My shaker dash here. I printed another Ursula here just on some acetate, and then I backed it out with some gold glitter. I printed this on acetate. I didn't foil it because I really liked the contrast of the black and this holographic, and so she can like decide to put this bookmarker anywhere, but I think it looks pretty there. That has Chillin' Like a Villain with her name on here, Raquel's planner. And then all of the dividers turned out really cute. And then just to show what I did on the back, how that completely foiled out, and I just stuck that as the back page. And here, I'll also link this. I got this on Amazon, and these are holographic hearts, which I just cut and put paper clips on. And there's the Ursula and a gem pen. All right, let me know what you guys think and hit me with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.